Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome back to our ACET Mathematics 2026 preparation series. And before we begin, let me tell you why today's question is extremely important. The Actuarial Common Entrance Test is conducted by the Institute of the Actuaries of India. And since actuaries work extensively with risk, insurance, survival analysis, and the waiting time models, probability distributions are one of the core topics of the syllabus. Okay, and among all continuous probability distributions, the exponential distribution is one of the examiner's favorite choice. And questions are usually short, formula based, and highly scoring. So if you know just three formulas, it's PDF, survival function and the variance, you can solve almost every ACET question in less than a minute. Okay, so let's solve today's question. Read the question carefully. Let x have exponential distribution with mean theta and given probability of x greater than 3 by probability of x greater than 6 is e to the power 3 by 2. The variance of x is what? And there are four options. Okay, so we have to calculate the correct one. Look, whenever you see the probabilities of the form like x greater than a, immediately think of the survival function of the exponential distribution. So for an exponential random variable with mean theta, probability of x greater than the x, this is equal to e to the power minus of x by theta. Okay, so this is one of the most important formulas in the probability. Now, we have a golden shortcut. Whenever the question contains greater than for an exponential distribution, don't think about the integration. Immediately write the survival function. And this is the survival function. And this single observation can save you 2 to 3 minutes in the examination. So let us first understand why the exponential distribution is so special. Unlike many distributions, it has the memoryless property. And this means that if something has already survived for a certain amount of time, its future behavior does not depend on how long it was already survived. And this property makes the exponential distribution widely used in the reliability engineering, insurance, queuing theory, and the actuarial science. Okay, so using the survival function, similarly, right? Now substitute this into the given ratio. Right? So recall the exponent rule. E to the power a by e to the power b. This is e to the power a minus b. Right? So apply this here. So which becomes e to the power 3 by theta. This is equal to e to the power 3 by 2. And since the exponential function is 1 to 1, the exponents must be equal. So therefore we can say 3 by theta. This is 3 by 2. So theta will be 2. So the mean of the exponential distribution is basically 2. Okay. Now many students stop here because they have found the mean. But notice carefully, the question does not ask for the mean. It asks for the variance. So always read the last line of the question before marking the answer. Okay. Now for an exponential distribution, mean is theta. Variance is what? Theta square. And since theta is 2, so variance will be 2 square. So this is 4. So what is the answer? Final answer? Final answer is 4. So option number B. Yes. So option number B is the right answer for this particular question. Okay. Just remember the sequence. Mean is theta. Variance, this is theta square, and standard deviation. This is theta. Now notice something interesting. For the exponential distribution, mean is equal to the standard deviation, right? So this is a unique property and this is frequently tested in the competitive examinations. Okay. So if you see an exponential distribution question in the exam, check whether it involves probability of capital X is small than X, greater than X, and immediately use the survival function, compare the exponents, and then find the theta, and finally read carefully whether the question asks for the mean or the variance or the standard deviation. Okay. So this 5-step approach works for almost every standard exponential distribution problem. Okay. So clear, I guess.